In this video you will learn how to make an OTG cable that can charge the phone at the same time. There are many uses for this cable, like if you want to repurpose old phones or tablets as a car reversing monitor, a satellite finder monitor, or a small home server, and many other uses. But before we start, let me give you a brief introduction so that you understand how this cable works. This is a MicroUSB charging cable. And this is a MicroUSB OTG cable. The difference between them is, in charging cables, the 4th pin and the 5th pin of the MicroUSB connector are not connected together. But in OTG cables, the 4th and the 5th pin are connected together. In order to make the OTG cable charge the phone at the same time, you need to trick the phone by inserting the cable as a charging cable at first and let the phone charge. Once it starts charging, press the switch to turn it into an OTG cable. If you want to make this cable, then do the following. Get an OTG cable and then remove the plastic shell from its micro-USB connector. Usually there are 5 pins in micro-USB connectors. But some OTG cables have only 4 pins, like the one shown in this video, so you need to replace it with a 5-pin micro-USB connector. Now connect a wire to the 4th pin, and connect another wire to the 5th pin. And then route the wires out of the micro-USB plastic shell as shown. Now connect a switch between these 2 wires. Also, for the charging, you need to add an external USB power supply to the OTG cable. Simply connect the red wire with the red wire, and connect the black with the black, and don't connect the green and white wires to the OTG cable. So now when the switch is off, the phone will recognize the cable as a charging cable. But if the switch is on, the phone will recognize it as an OTG cable. Now the OTG charging cable is ready. To use it, do the following. Turn off the switch and then connect it to the phone. Now the phone will start charging like with a regular charging cable. And then turn on the switch to make it an OTG cable. As you can see, the mouse is working while charging the phone. This method works on most micro-USB phones, including the LG G3. But keep in mind that this method is not official, so you do this at your own risk. If you want to make the official method, then simply replace the switch with a resistor. The value of the resistor depends on the phone that you have. I made a dedicated video on my channel which shows you how to make the docking station, which also enables you to use the OTG function and charge the device at the same time. I even managed to enable the OTG function on the Samsung Galaxy Grand, which is known for not supporting the OTG function. If you are interested, you can find these videos on my channel. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. There are many uses for OTG charging cables, like for turning an old phone or tablet into a car reversing monitor or for watching satellite TV, but you will need to use an EasyCap adapter. Also, if your OTG cable already comes with an external USB power, like this one, then you can skip the step, which includes adding an external USB power to the OTG cable. Also, if you have an OTG hub cable like this one from eBay, then you need to open it and desolder the diode and then short its pads with a blob of solder. That diode prevents the power from reaching the phone and charging it. Thanks for watching.